Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for returning for another video with me. So today I am going to be sharing with you the beginning of the Christmas decor. This is a really short video. This was filmed actually before Thanksgiving. I wanted to go ahead and get the garland up because that does take time. I like for it to settle before I really go in and decorate it. And I also wanted to put the tree up and fluff that out. The tree did become a whole situation, so there will definitely be a part 2 to this video. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys the process and how I got started, so I hope that you all enjoyed this video. As always, if this is your first time here, then hello, welcome. My name is Nina, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell before you leave so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. So let's just dive right in, guys.
Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine, and I'll be the one that you need. Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine, and I'll be the one that you need.
Alright guys, so I don't plan to do too much chit-chatting throughout this video. However, I did want to mention to you guys that I am going to be wearing rubber gloves throughout this process. Over the years, I have found that garland can really tear my hands up to where they are hurting after I'm finished working with it. So I just decided to use some rubber gloves. I picked these up at Home Depot because we were there. Guys, it made a huge difference on my hands. I didn't find myself getting super frustrated with the garland. If you put garland up or you have an artificial tree, then you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. I can't be the one that you need. Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine, and I'll be the one that you need. Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then
Alright guys, so I did pull out my broom. You guys know that I do not sweep very often. I always use my vacuum. But for different chores like this, I always like to make sure that I do have a broom on hand. I didn't want to get any of the pine cones that was on that garland stuck in my vacuum or anything like that. So I did sweep first. I am going to go over the floor again with the vacuum as well as the steam mop.
Let's be honest about it. There's a way around it. I like the way you do it, baby. Let's be honest about it. There's a way around it. I like the way you. Hold my hand, how you understand every part of me. You make it clear to see when it's just you and me, baby. I like the way you do it, baby. Let's be honest about it. There's a way around it. I like the way you do it, baby. Let's be honest about it.
As I mentioned, this was before Thanksgiving. I just wanted to go ahead and start pulling out the garland as well as the tree to get it set up, but I was not going to decorate it until after Thanksgiving. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you already know your girl was on the struggle bus when it came down to a Christmas tree. So again, definitely be on the lookout for the second part of this video. I just wanted to share with you guys the start of the process.
All that I do is wait for you. I'm standing and I'm not breathing. Why can't you forget the reason you left? You tend to hide your feelings. Yeah, you keep thinking it's right to keep a distance. It's like nothing I do is enough. I've been holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running back to.
Alright guys, simple and to the point. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, give it a big thumbs up if so, and do not forget to come back and join me for the next one. Bye guys.
You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would